If you've stumbled upon glidefootwear.com while searching for stylish yet comfortable shoes and are wondering if this is the next big footwear brand or just another questionable online store, you're not alone, because this site has been gaining attention but not always for the right reasons. On the surface, Glyde Footwear presents itself as a modern company that sells podiatrist-recommended shoes for both men and women, claiming to combine style with comfort, but when you start digging deeper, the picture doesn't look so clean. The site boldly declares that they've served over 130,000 happy customers. Yet the reality doesn't match up because on Trustpilot there's only one single review, and instead of praising the brand, that review highlights fake return policies, which is not what you'd expect from a business claiming such massive popularity. Another big red flag comes from their timeline. They advertise that they've been around since 2022, but domain records reveal that their website was only registered in April 2025. Which means the supposed long history they boast about is actually much shorter than they want buyers to believe. On top of that, they try to add legitimacy by claiming features in major outlets like NBC News and Women's Health. But when you actually check, there's zero proof that these features ever happened, making the endorsements look fabricated. The product presentation doesn't help either, as the images on the website don't seem like original photography but rather copied or stock images, which usually signals that a store is more interested in appearances than transparency. The recommended by podiatrists label they throw around is also suspicious because they don't provide any proof of medical endorsements, no actual names of podiatrists, and no certifications to back up the statement, making it just another empty marketing phrase. Customer support also doesn't inspire confidence, with only an email contact listed and no phone number or live chat available. Which means if something goes wrong with your order, you might find yourself stuck without reliable help. When all these pieces are put together, the exaggerated customer numbers, the misleading timeline, the fake media claims, the lack of originality in product images, the baseless podiatrist endorsements, and the weak support system, it creates a story that doesn't align with what a trustworthy brand should look like. Glyde Footwear might appear polished at first glance, but once you look behind the curtain, too many inconsistencies make it hard to feel secure about spending your money here, so it's definitely a site worth thinking twice about before making a purchase.